Ever find it challenging to discover delectable, diabetic-friendly dishes that don't compromise on flavor? Well, we're about to turn that around with a recipe that's as comforting as it is healthy. Today, we're making a delightful diabetic-friendly cornbread. We'll begin with the ingredients. Gather up 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, half a cup of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar substitute. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of low-fat buttermilk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9-inch round cake pan or cast iron skillet. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, combine the cornmeal, whole wheat flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar substitute. Stir until everything is well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, egg, and canola oil. Gradually, add this wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring just until the dry ingredients are moistened. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Pour the batter into the prepared pan or skillet, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And there you have it, a scrumptious cornbread that's diabetic friendly. This recipe makes 8 servings, so it's perfect for sharing or saving for later. This cornbread isn't just delightful to the palate, it's also beneficial to your health. The use of whole wheat flour and cornmeal provides dietary fiber, crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The low-fat buttermilk and canola oil ensure the recipe remains low in saturated fats, promoting heart health. And the sugar substitute allows for a touch of sweetness without causing a spike in blood glucose levels. In essence, this cornbread recipe offers a balance of flavor and health. It proves that diabetic-friendly dishes can be just as tasty as their traditional counterparts. So go ahead and indulge in this comfort food classic, knowing you're doing your health a favor. Enjoy!